Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to add Venmo as a payment method for your WooCommerce store using direct payments for WooCommerce. First, let's install direct payments for WooCommerce. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. Search for Direct Payments for WooCommerce by Digages. Once you find it, click Install, then click Activate. After activation, you'll be redirected to the installed plugin page. Next, let's set up your account. On the Installed Plugins page, locate Direct Payments for WooCommerce and click Settings. You can also access these settings by hovering over WooCommerce in the left sidebar, selecting Direct Payments, and then clicking Settings in the top right corner of the screen. Inside the Settings page, click the Peer-to-Peer tab, then click Add Account. Enter your Venmo account details. Once you've filled everything out, click Save. After that, click Save Changes on the Peer-to-Peer page to store your account information. Now, it's time to enable the payment method. Go to the General tab in Direct Payment Settings. Enable Direct Payments for WooCommerce. Then, under the Payment Methods section, enable Peer-to-Peer Payments. Scroll down and click Save Changes. That's it! Your WooCommerce store can now accept payments through Venmo, using direct payments for WooCommerce. Thanks for watching. See you soon!